Hi, I'm Vianney from Giovanni.com, and in this short course, I will teach you how to hire virtual assistants. So, as your business grows, you need to automate some tasks like posting on Instagram or sending emails, and you may want to hire virtual assistant. So virtual assistant is basically someone who completes these tasks for you and free your time to do something that makes you more money. So in this course, I will teach you how to hire this virtual assistant, how to find this virtual assistant. So let's go to the course, and remember to subscribe to the channel and go to johnvianney.com in order to get the step-by-step coaching on how to make money online, how to build your first online business.
Hello and welcome to this course. In this course, I'm going to show you how to get or hire your first VA or virtual assistant. In this video, though, I just want to go through and explain why you should get a VA. Whether you already have an online business or you're just starting or you don't even know what business you want to have yet online. Okay, well, the main reason you should have a VA is that you can focus on growing your online business if you have someone that is employed under you that is doing most of the tasks in your business. Okay, another reason you should consider getting a VA is it'll get you in the habit of outsourcing your work, and also it's very affordable nowadays because um, there's there are plenty of talented VAs overseas. Okay, and you could find someone for as little as $1 per hour. Although I would say the average rate is around $2 or $3 per hour. Okay, so if you're in a tight budget, you could, if you're lucky, you could find someone for $1 per hour for just a few hours a week if that's all you can afford. Okay, now if you do not have an online business yet, well, you could get a VA to do research for you, find out which business models would be right for you, and when you finally find the right business model for you, you could get your VA to do a lot of the tasks that are needed to get your business off the ground. So, for example, if you buy a course on how to make money with, say, Teespring, or how to make money with CPA offers, you could just pass that course on to your VA and just instruct your VA to follow the instructions on that course. Okay, so with that said, in the next video, I'm going to show you a site that I highly recommend where you could find talented virtual assistants for good rates. Okay. Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you a site that you can go to find virtual assistants, and it's a site that I recommend. It's a site that I've used to hire staff, and this site is called onlinejobs.ph. So this is an online job site for Filipino staff, basically, and there's a lot of talented workers on here. As you can see here, you can find staff for anywhere from $1.45 an hour to $6.25 an hour. I've personally found someone for as low as $1 an hour, and I currently have staff that range from anywhere from $1 to $3 per hour. Okay, but basically this is what you see when you go on the site. I believe you cannot contact anyone here or post any job postings if you're a free member. Unfortunately, you would have to sign up as a paid member. Okay, but let's just quickly just go through this site here. This is what shows up when you go on here. Just scrolling down here, you could see their skills. They rate their own skills, but also you could sort by skills. So if you want someone that's very skilled in Photoshop, for example, or WordPress, you could find those types of employees. And um, what I do is I pay my staff uh, every week. So I pay them on a weekly basis. Now let's just click on something here. For, let's say well, let's look at the types of jobs you can hire for. So there's webmaster, SEO, WordPress expert, writer, virtual assistant, a bookkeeper, social media, a real estate virtual assistant. So let's just click on virtual assistant here. And as you can see, it says 227 results for job seekers with the following criteria. Okay, and it says ID proof greater than 50. ID proof means that, well, there's a way that they can verify, or the site can verify that, you know, the applicant is who they say they are. So if it's greater than 50, that's good. If it's closer to 100, that's the best thing. But let's just go down here. Oh, and also on the right here, you could sort it by category, because as you can see here, there's over 200 results. I'm not sure you will want to go through 200 listings. So if you want to narrow down your search, you could choose category and skill, salary, employment type, like full-time or part-time. Well, let's just click on one of these listings here, these applicant profiles, just to get an idea of, how, just to get an idea of how the system works and what type of employees or potential employees you can have here. So this one says network admin, virtual assistant, data encoder, form filler, phone support. So she has an ID proof of 97. So most likely she is who she says she is. And here you could see how much they want per month. She wants to get paid around $700 per month for 40 hours a week. Of course, you could negotiate with them. So let's just click on her profile. Okay, another thing too, by the way, is since I am a paid member, I could see their name and their contact info, and I'm able to contact them. But if you are a free member, you will not be able to see their name, I believe, or be able to contact them. Okay, but you can see all their other information here, their education, their employment status, and here's a breakdown of her skills. So these look like general skills, attention to detail, Microsoft. There's her English, if you want to know how good her English is. And here is her marketing experience. So she's had a little bit of blogging. She's done quite a bit in email marketing. So if you're an email marketer, this may interest you. She has no social media experience. Okay, and this is her webmaster experience. She's had a little bit of WordPress, a little bit of HTML, graphics, and there's her programming skills. You can see that she's had very little programming experience. And here's her finance and management, admin support. She's done quite a bit of that. And here she explains a little bit more of her experience. And here's also real estate experience and top skills. And that's it. And sometimes you will see comments here or reviews from other employers, from past employers. Okay. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video. In this video, I'm just going to give some tips on how to keep track of your employees' work. Okay, so basically onlinejobs.ph, this site actually has a tool that you can use to keep track of your employees and make sure that they're doing their work. So basically, it's called time proof, and it's something that they would download, and when they log in to this app, what this software does, it'll keep track of their work, and it'll allow you to see screenshots of their work time. Okay, now me personally, I don't use this with my staff. One of my staff members, what he does is he just gives me a daily report of what he's done for the day. As long as I'm satisfied with their work, that's all that counts. All right. So basically, everyone is different. If you want, you could try to keep track of your employees' work using this tool, or you can just get them to provide a quick report or just a quick email with a summary of what they've done for the day.
I hope you enjoyed this course, and if you want to go more in depth and learn affiliate marketing, which is basically a technique, an ecosystem, and a marketing strategy on how to make money online from other people's products without covering shipping, without buying anything, let's go to johnvianney.com and input your email and your name and get this course for only $7. You learn how to make money online promoting other people's products. So go to johnvianney.com and put your name and email and get this course. And of course, remember to subscribe to the channel.